If you are getting this error, TSC is not recognized as the name of CMD. Don't worry, this simply means that TypeScript is not installed globally on your system. So first, let's install the TypeScript globally. For that, open your terminal or PowerShell. Now run this command npm install -g TypeScript. Wait for the installation to complete. Now verify the installation. Run tsc-v. If you see a version number, TypeScript has been installed successfully. If you want to run a TypeScript file directly, the easiest way is to use tsx. Now let's install the tsx globally. Run npm install -g tsx. After installation, verify it. Run tsx -version. Now you can run your TypeScript file directly. Let's go to the vscode and check it. Now run tsx test.ts. That's it. TSX automatically compile and execute your TypeScript file. You don't need to create a JavaScript file manually. But if you want to run it using Node.js, remember Node.js cannot execute a .ts file directly. First, convert the TypeScript file into JavaScript. Compile the file tsc test.ts. This generate a new file named test.js. Now execute it with Node.js. Node test.js. Your program will run successfully. And that is the correct way to run TypeScript file. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more error solving tutorials and coding related videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.